This is the Frugal Gardener, and I'm here for a little quick video. I have been trying to harvest a little bit of this garlic. Well, actually, quite a bit over the last couple of days, but Mother Nature wins once again. The soil is saturated because it's been raining off and on for almost 3 days now. But I wanted to show you this. I'm going to stop here and cover this up and wait for this to dry out before I do any more. But this was in this container, and you can see that the roots have taken over the bottom. And the reason is because I got a little bit it was a little bit overkill. I should have planted about 6 of these in here, and I think I did 9 instead. So, I did okay. Still got garlic, but not the size that I would have if I would have planted less, which would have given it more room. You can see here, there's 2, 4, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, if you count the little one down there. And that should not have been that many. It should have been probably half that amount, because this was in the ground. And you can tell from the size, it's like twice the size of the ones that was in the pot, primarily because it didn't have room to branch out. So I'm going to cover these, let them dry out, and in a few days I will harvest the garlic, and the ones that are still in the ground, like this one, I'm going to leave for a while longer. So that's it. Like I said, it's going to be quick, and smells amazing. I'm going to harvest them, dry them out, and I'll have garlic for the summer and the fall. Catch you guys on the next video. Have a good one.